Whatever you are doing, put yourself online and we will make sure people call you, you get the business, and you're on the top. Let's just talk about the world top growing business like Tesla, Amazon, and Alibaba. They're all online. And if you talk about their income, you can't imagine because due to this pandemic, people never stop shopping, never stop eating, never stop what they want. Hello and hi. How's everybody doing today? Hope everybody is good. Now today's topic it's about what you guys are doing nowadays to get your business on the top. Because according to a survey in the pandemic, whoever invests online, they are going on the top. Because nowadays it's an era of digital marketing, and let's just say if I'm, a customer and I'm looking for something, I don't go on the streets. I just Google it, and whoever comes on the top, I'll call them, and that's how I do business. So if you guys are doing a business and not getting enough calls or not getting enough business, just let us know. Because we got a team for you guys who will consider you a part of the family and we will take care of you. Nowadays, how they are getting the things what they want? By just ordering them online. According to a survey, what people have observed due to this pandemic where we can't go outside, every businessman put their business online. That's how they are working. So I will suggest you to become online. If you don't have a website, let us know. We will create a website for you and we will make sure that you guys rock and you will come on the top. For that, we do have some basic steps like if you have a website and you don't know why you're not getting enough calls or enough traffic, let us give us a chance and we will see what are the drawbacks in your website. We will do SEO services for you. We will do, you name it, and we have it. We will do everything for you and we will make sure you comes on the top and you get enough calls. So mention in the comments or contact on the number that is given. Alright, so don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Creativity on fire. Thanks.